Yo, what's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your official Hedgehog, Sonic the Hedgehog here, and I am back with another video. So before I begin this video, don't forget to hit that like button right now, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell if I were you, so that you don't miss on any future upload banger from me. So today we're going to be doing a cooking lesson. We're going to be teaching you right now, so let's go ahead and let's get to the show. Here we go, let's get to it. Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and let's get the action on the move. So as you see, I have the mac and cheese box opened, and because of my baby's phone, I couldn't do what it says, because somehow someone keeps ending the recording. Like, what the frick? So we're gonna go ahead and go get some water. Just give me a second right here. Alright, got that in the trash. Now let's go ahead and get some water. Just give me a second here. Give me a second here. Alright, there we go. Got water in the mac and cheese. And now let's go ahead and let's open the microwave here. Let's open it up. There. Now let's put it inside, but gently. Make sure that all the pasta is covered with water. Be sure that's taken care of. Put it in the middle. Close the door. Wait for 3 minutes, or give it more time than that. Start. And now let's go on ahead and let's go to the computer. Let's get to the computer, yo. Alright, so we're here at the computer. Let me go ahead and get signed in here. What the frick? My keyboard's not plugged in. Let me get the keyboard. Just give me a quick second, folks. I know it's a cooking lesson, but I just needed to get logged in. Come on, you keyboard. I'm trying to get the plug in there. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and sign in. I just hope. There we go. Now let me go ahead and put him. There we go. So we should be in. And now let me get my TV plugged in here. So we're gonna go on ahead and get Chrome opened up. So while the food is cooking for 4 minutes, just go on ahead and get this taken care of here. Alright, I turned it off. Shoot, let me turn on the internet here. Alright. And now, as you see, I have my start button up here, my start. That's a Windows 7 logo that's right up there. You see my cursor? Oops. You see my cursor up there? That's where it's at. So anyway, so welcome to my PJ computer, as you're seeing. And after that, here's the desktop here. That's currently the desktop, and I have the taskbar up here. And after that, I have all the stuff here, my Note 9 stuff there. Pinball settings, whatever the frick you call it. Wait, what the frick? Oh, new desktop. I was like, what the hell? Alright. So I guess I'll probably go check on the food now. Or just, just give me a second. Alright, so after that, before I check the food, I'm just gonna get my TV warmed up. Alright, so there we go, Bob. There we go, folks. I almost said Bob. So there we have it. There's my TV on. So I guess we can go to Chrome since we have the internet connected. Now let's go ahead. Let's get to it. What the frick? Get there. All right. So while my food is cooking, which let me go check on it now. All right. Let's check. Whoa! It almost overflowed. What the frick? Whew, that was close. Alright, let's end the cooking thing. Let's take it out. Ooh, ow. Ooh. Alright, let me get it and put it over here. Phew. Dang, that was crazy. Alright, zoom out there. Now, just give me 1 sec. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and drain. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it, as you see here. So we're gonna drain. Give me 1 sec if I can figure this out. There, that should do it. Ow! Dang it. Got me right there. Alright, be sure to drain the water. Just do as you see. Drain all the water. That should be good. Oops, I wanted to drain right there. Alright. Oh, oops, I moved the camera right there. So move the camera right there, so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I just, if you see that, hit the like button right now. So, the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to move the camera back. Right there. Alright. So, as you see, we have the macaroni cooked. Now, check the cheese sauce. And open it up like that. And after that, it's kind of like original mac and cheese. The way that you used to cook it on the stove. But you cook it in the microwave. Like that. And just like that, folks. That's how you do it. Now you need your spoon. Rinse. Alright. Now stir. Just be sure to stir it. Just like this. Just be sure to stir it. Just like this. This is kind of like the original way to make mac and cheese, but in a microwave. This should complete the hack. This is a hack trick that you all can learn from me. Dang, see? I can't believe this. That's literally insane. Well, if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button right now and comment below what is the best part of it. Alright, hang on a second. Let me go get my face mask. Give me a second. Alright, so anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and probably wrap this video up now. So if you enjoyed it, hit the like button right now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell for you. And that's how to make mac and cheese, yo. So if you found this video helpful, share with a friend. Be sure to make it go viral because I need a lot of views so I can make money from my videos. Anyways, thanks for watching. Sonics out.